Hey everyone, it's David from Bootstrap.com. Today we are starting the new series for you, which we're gonna call the Daily Coder, where we're gonna share the latest news from the programming world with you. So without further ado, let's get started. You most probably heard or maybe even used GitHub Copilot, which is an amazing AI-driven tool which helps you in coding. However, you might have missed that recently, on 20th of September, GitHub announced that they will also open the GitHub Copilot chat to all the individuals. What GitHub Copilot chat is? You can think about it as like ChatGPT for programmers, which allows you to interact with the virtual assistants, which can help you in real-time guidance, code analysis, fix security issues, and even simple troubleshooting. If you are not living under the rock and following the social media, you might have stumbled upon a new Bun bundler. According to many news, it's blazing fast, and you can see many posts of users sharing how blazing fast it is in compared to, for example, Vite. So the real question is it really a competition to Vite? Before we answer that, let's do a few steps back. Vite is a fast local development server, and as you probably already know, under the hood, Vite uses the main bundler, which is Rollup, instead of using the dead Webpack bundler. For production, Vite can use another bundler, ESBuild, to speed up transpilation and minification. On the other hand, Bun is not only a node replacement. It is a zig port of ESBuild using the same algorithm, so includes its own, however currently limited bundler. According to Ivan, Bun is not a real competitor to Vue. It's however something which you can use complementary under the hood. According to Ivan, this is not ideal for the shipping client-side application. So currently the distinction is that Bun is awesome as a Node.js replacement for the server, while Vite is great for bundling client-side apps. It has API that many developers love and thus already has a good ecosystem. So how the future will look like? Obviously it's difficult to judge. If I were to guess, I would say that people will continue to use Vite and Bun under the hood. However, Bun can slowly incorporate more and more Vite APIs and become a competitor in the long term. However, keep in mind that it is still a fresh project, so but I would definitely keep my eye on Bun. If you haven't tried it yet, you definitely should. Grouping items in JavaScript is one of these things which probably you've done dozens of times. So I have a good news for you, because JavaScript is now getting grouping methods, so you won't have to do it anymore. So how did grouping work until now? You most probably been using one of these options like for each loop, or perhaps you were a fan of reduce to achieve the same goal. Since now on, you don't have to use any of this, because the new group by option can be implemented directly on the object. You can also choose to use the same one on a map, which does almost the same thing as an object group by, except it returns map. This means that you can use all the usual map functions. So when this will be available, both of the methods are part of TC39 proposal that is currently at stage 3. This means that there is a good chance it will become a standard soon. Actually, Chrome 117 was just launched with the support of these two methods. And finally, recently Next.js released the new version, which is 13.5. As we can see, the most significant update is related to the performance. So we can see the faster local startup, more performance on refresh, and significantly less memory usage. Creators also share that they are proud of almost 80% month-to-month growth in adoption of the newest Next.js version. Thank you for watching this first episode. Let me know down below in the comments how do you like our new format, and is there anything else we could do to make it better. Thank you for watching and keep coding.